Hi everybody, I'm Megan Edge and I am the owner of Megan Edge Healing. I have been offering workshops for the last 10 years and I have been teaching for my whole life. I always end up in the teacher role. I love giving workshops where I can offer a sacred, safe space that is non-judgmental, either external or internal, where my participants and my students can really experience a sense of empowerment, so that they understand that what they bring to the workshop is as valuable as what they are going to learn in the workshop. I want my workshop materials to be well thought out, to be well researched and well presented. And I always end up writing manuals, which I love to do. So here's one for my Thriving in Your Intuitive Business workshop. For my 10-month Confident Healer certification program, I've written loads and loads of stuff. I want them to have materials in front of them that they can work with and work from. My workshops have a lot of interaction in them. We do a lot of getting up off our chairs, a lot of work with one another in order to really experience what it is that I'm teaching them. And ultimately what I want for them, for my students and my workshop participants, is to create a sense of community, that they understand that they're not alone. And especially when we're in the world of metaphysical healing, which is what my genre is, and I'm teaching women to become healers, they need to know that they're not doing this on their own. And so very much in the workshops, I'm encouraging people to share, to talk, to give back what they are receiving, so that when they leave the workshop, they feel empowered, they feel informed, and they feel like they're part of a really strong community. Those are what my workshops are like. Thanks, everybody.